Welcome to Padu Motivations. I'm in my Tesla Model 3 2023, and the sunroof is beautiful. I love it. I love everything about it. It makes the car less claustrophobic. I love it. The only thing I don't like about it is the sun right now is beaming down on you, full blazing. And I mean, it's really hot. It's 93 degrees in here. So what I'm going to do today is show you how to install a Vion sunshade, which is going to eliminate the sun beaming down on your head. It'll make your cabin more comfortable. And ultimately, you'll save in energy because you're not heating up a really hot cabin. And the beautiful thing about this Vion shade, it's only $59. And if you use my referral link in the description, you'll get another 10% off. There are other options for you. Teslas, you go on Tesla's website, the shade is, I think, $145. You can get some elaborate shades for is up to $250. But for $59, this is a great investment and a great value. And I'm going to show you how to install it in under 10 minutes. So let's go check it out. Okay, so when you first get your Vion sunroof shade, it's going to come in a bag like this, and this comes directly in it. So you can always pack it up and put it in the car. So, and it opens up, you just take it out, and it opens up just like this. Boom, okay? And to put it back in the bag, you just turn it, bam, and you put it right back in the bag like so, okay? So with it, it comes with two shades. You have a rear shade because in the Model 3, the sunroof it's broken up in two sections. So you have the rear, and then you have the front right here, which we're going to install, okay? And then you also have the two side shades right here as well, and that's going to go in the rear, okay? So what we're going to do right now is we're going to attach the clips first. And what you want to do is you want to do the sunny or the metallic side up, or the shiny side is up, and it actually say rear up, okay? So you want to do that first, and it comes with these clips. Okay, I just took some of them out already. And what you want to do is you want to put these clips on like so. So the clips you just want to put like this, and it just snaps on just as easy. And you always want to make sure this flat side is right at the shiny side. So I'm going to do one clip here. You want to do another clip here. You can see how easy it is to just pop on. And then we're going to put another clip here. Okay. And I already did the front, and this is the rear. Now we're going to go to the car and put it on. It's going to be as simple as cake. Like I said, it's going to take you about 10 minutes. So let's go ahead and do it. Okay, here we go. So we have everything in place. We have the clips in place, and then you simply just hold it like this, and we make sure the rear is up, and then we're just going to go like so. And then you just put it in, and then you just snap this right here, and on this side you're going to snap it in like that. See, already it's in, and it's a pretty decent fit right now. Now we're going to do the front. Okay, so now we're ready to put it in, and you can see all the sun coming in here. Watch how it's going to eliminate it. Look at that. Oh my God, it feels better already. And all you want to do is just make sure you put this clip right in the front like that. And then you want to put these other clips like so. That on the side here. And you got that on the side. And then you have these. And that's it. Boy, this is a huge difference right here. So now we're set. Now all we're going to do is put the other two side shades, and then we're all set. Okay, and then you put the rear ones in. All you do is snap it right in. It just snaps. Just put it there. Snaps right in like that. So that's okay. Make sure it fits. Okay, so that's good. And then you want to take this one and you want to do the same thing. Just snap it into place. Bam. Oh, that fits good. And that's it. So you have everything, and it does provide a lot of shade here. For 59 bucks, I mean, you really can't beat it. Okay, as you can see, everything is installed. It's ready to go, and it is a pretty. I think it's a pretty good fit. It's not bad at all. It's definitely going to provide some more comfort to your ride, especially if the car is sitting out at a parking lot for hours or whatever. It's definitely going to be a noticeable difference as far as heat, and it's going to save you energy. So that's it. It only took about 10 minutes to install, so we're all set. Hey, now I'm ready to take a drive. We'll see you at the next video.